The DN78 is easy to operate, requiring only the push of a button to begin its super efficient cleaning schedule. The DN78 knows how to clean efficiently and thoroughly. It can sweep, vacuum, and mop your bare floors in a single pass. The DN78 understands your love of pets, using direct suction for perfect cleanup of pet hairs without any tangling. The DN78 can easily fit under furniture and clean hard-to-reach areas. It uses its anti-collision sensors and soft cushion bumper to protect your furniture, and using anti-drop sensors to clean up to and around stairs without the risk of falling. Applicable to a variety of floors, the DN78 is as versatile as it is efficient. It has 3 cleaning modes: edge cleaning mode for cleaning along edges and in corners, auto cleaning mode for energy-efficient, everyday cleaning, spot cleaning mode for a small area of highly concentrated dust. Schedule DN78 to automatically clean once a day, regardless if anyone is home. When battery power gets low, it automatically returns to its charging dock. Enjoy your newfound free time. The DN78 works for you now.